In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a pricing table on your Wix website. First, open your Wix website in the editor. Head to wix.com, sign in, and from your dashboard, select the site you want to update. Click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Give the page a second to load so all the tools are ready. As you work, remember that changes are saved in the editor, but your visitors won't see them until you publish at the end. Next, add a fresh section where your pricing table will live. In the left toolbar, click Add, then choose Add Section. Place this section exactly where you want the pricing to appear. Many sites put it right after the introduction or features so visitors can compare options without scrolling too far. Adjust the spacing above and below to make it feel balanced with the rest of your content. To quickly find the pricing table, use the built-in search. In the top right corner, click the magnifying glass icon and type pricing. When you see price table or pricing table in the results, click it. This takes you to Wix's preset pricing components, so you don't have to build one from scratch. Now add the pricing table to your page. Click Add on the pricing table option and approve any prompt like Add to Page. Wix will insert a ready-made layout directly into the section you created. You can drag it to fine-tune the placement and resize the container if needed so it fits your design. With the table selected, start customizing the plans. Update the plan names to match your offerings. Think Basic, Pro, or Premium. Enter the prices and specify whether they're monthly or annual, keeping the format consistent. Edit the feature list using clear, concise descriptions so visitors can quickly compare what's included. Update the button text to reflect your call to action, such as Get Started or Buy Now. Then open the design or style options to align colors, fonts, and layout with your brand. Aim for strong contrast for readability, and consider highlighting your recommended plan with a subtle accent so it stands out without overwhelming the page. When everything looks right, preview and test. Click the preview button to experience the pricing table as your visitors will. Scroll, hover over elements, and confirm spacing, alignment, and readability. If you want to double check mobile, switch to the mobile view in the editor to ensure it looks great on smaller screens. When you're satisfied, click Publish in the top right to make your pricing plans live on your Wix website. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.